Morning YouTube, Troy Stars again. I check you in another video, you know what I mean? So big up everybody, hope everybody have a wonderful afternoon, blessed day, respect, thanks for tuning in as usual. And right after this message, right now I'm going to tell you about cold starting, giving the Volvo truck a cold start.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Morning YouTube, morning, Troy Stars back at it again. As I'm after work, you know what I mean? And me just follow up on the video where I come to start my truck, and because the temperature was so cold, it didn't get to start, right? I forget to plug in the truck at minus 21 and climbing. So at minus 30, the truck, when I came back to start, my battery was, like my friend told me, as soon as they get the winter, the care how strong the battery is, it's gonna be like half that strength when the coldness onto it, you know what I mean? So what is happening now is, what I did was to went and buy extension and plug the truck in. So after I plugged the truck in for 2 days, this is my first try to see if the truck will start after all that, by extension and all of that. So here's the YouTube family link and link, so me tune in for sure know exactly what going to take place, all the things stay. So you don't know a Troy Stars are check in. So pick up everybody and thanks for tuning in, you know what I mean? So we are going at the truck now. We are give it a try and see if it start and see if we have luck or not, you know what I mean? So pick up on yourself, Troy Stars, as I say. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to jump in the truck now. So this is it. Well covered under snow. You see the snow piled up right side of the truck? You know what I mean? So we're going inside now. Check it. See how it stays, see if it can start. And that's about it. Alright YouTube, we're the inside of the truck. Now watch it now. It's a water buckle. Freeze. You hear that? Ice cold. The whole, hear that? Sound like the whole buckle freeze. The whole case machine freeze. Alright, the moment I throw it, we'll see if this truck will start now. Plug it in for 2 days after the. Alright. So I'll go on feet now. Alright, low air. Well, I'm going to turn off the AC here. Alright, let me check the. Let me check what I go on for it now. Alright. It's a low air. Let me check the gauge and see the temperature where the truck I give me right now. Alright, gauge. -7, not too bad. The oil air -15. Well, I'm gonna check the battery. Hold on, we come back a low air when I see battery yet. Hold on. Alright, battery at 0.6 volt. That's supposed to give me a turnover. Alright, one of the things now, you have a manual glow plug where when I put the key in and you turn it, you press the key down, and what happens is it give you a manual glow. So press the key down for a minute. Let it go. You see the glow plug come on. See it right over there, son? Alright, so you get the manual glow there. Because you see thing now, we want to use every precaution that we have now, because we want to ensure they start. Really want to use a little juice we have out of the battery, So then wait till the glow plug light come off, because you get a manual glow, So it heat up differently. Stay a little longer up on the dash. Alright, it come off. Foot on gas, make sure me in a neutral. Come in. Alright. That no sound bad. Alright, that no sound bad. watch the air temperature gauge go up. But I check that if I know. Check the engine message. How can I check that? Oh, that means that the transmission need more air. Transmission air low, peeps. So that check light that come on for. So we watch it and see if it alright. Get enough air and now it come off. -8. Everything I chuckle alright. No look too bad. Alright. Yeah, so as I'm saying, the plug-in work, you know what I mean? So if you park it in the winter, your truck can't start, and the wrecker and the mechanic shop charge a whole heap of money. Just see if you can get the truck plug-in. If you can buy a generator, like a smart generator, because sometimes generator they ain't even cheap, They can get a generator for $200, you know what I mean? And the wrecker will charge you $300 based on the push by head, and when you reach the place, and they will have your truck by the place, charge your next price again. So you gotta improvise, and work your magic. Cause that's 3 hours you want out of plug-in, Really and truly, 3 hours you need, So if you could buy some diesel gas, train your generator, start your generator, plug in your truck, make the generator go and run and park upside it and go and wait. No problem with that. You know what I mean? You have a generator for the rest of your time, and plus, you get something out of your money than just pay it and you can empty it again one next time, you know what I mean? So basically that's one other thing there. Yeah. So right now I go out to my car and I truck really cold. So I'm gonna turn on the heater, turn up everything, make it go and blow. And then clean off the truck, pre-trip the truck, and then take on the journey. So things stay, TriStars are checking with the peeps, we are telling them what going, we are showing how we do it the real way, you know what I mean? No hide and seek, no go around corner. TriStars, don't know where to deal with it. Big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, and big up everybody. You don't know, peace and love. Respect. Thanks.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.